Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and share with someone else who you think might enjoy our content. Looks like today we're working on puzzle number 86, sorry. Let's do this column here. We've got 1, 2, so we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 3 and 8. We've got a 3 and 5 here. So that means this is our 8, 3, and 5. If we do this column, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 6, 7. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 9. We've got a 2 there, so 9 and 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so that makes this our 6. That 4 makes this our 7, and our 4 goes here. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 2 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row then, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 6, and no help here, 1, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 2, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 4. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 8. No help here, 1, 6, 8. And an 8 here, so 1, 6. If we look at this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got no help here, 5, 6, 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. No help here, so 5, 6, and we can get rid of that 7 over here. We look at this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6, and if our 4 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this row, we got that 2 there now, so that makes this our 7, 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 7. So back to this row then, it looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. Work on this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5, 6 here, so this is our 8. Got no other help, so 5, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 6. And since our 2 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this column, looks like we're missing a 1, a 4, and a 9. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 9, 9 here, so 1, 4, and a 1 here, So 4, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 5 and our 9. That 5 makes this our 6. And that 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. That 9 makes this our 4, 1, 9. We can get rid of this 1 here. And for this row then, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here. So 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there. So 4, 5. For this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 there. So 8, 3. And that 8 makes this our 6 and our 8. All right, that was it for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.